Welcome to our recipe tutorial on pizza muffins. These delicious treats are perfect for a snack or party appetizer. Let's get started. First, let's gather all the ingredients we need to make pizza muffins. You'll need pizza dough, pizza sauce, shredded cheese, and your favorite pizza toppings. Now, it's time to prepare the pizza dough for the muffins. Roll out the dough and cut it into circles using a cookie cutter or a cup. Repeat the process until you have enough circles to fill your muffin tin. Now, it's time to add the toppings. Start with a spoonful of pizza sauce on each dough circle. Next, add shredded cheese and your favorite pizza toppings. Get creative and try different combinations. Repeat the process until all the dough circles are topped with sauce, cheese, and toppings. Now, it's time to bake the muffins. Place them in the oven and bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes, or until golden brown. Once they're done, take the muffins out of the oven and let them cool for a few minutes. After they've cooled, remove the muffins from the tin and place them on a serving platter. And there you have it, delicious pizza muffins. They're perfect for a snack or party appetizer, and you can customize them with your favorite pizza toppings. Thanks for watching our recipe tutorial on pizza muffins. We hope you enjoyed it and give this recipe a try. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes and cooking tips. And if you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.